and grabbed his hat. Time for learning, fancy that. Panda goes to school today, ready to learn, laugh and play, with crayon songs and counting too. So much fun in all we do. He met new friends, a bunny and fox. They built tall towers with rainbow blocks. They sang the ABCs out loud, and Panda felt so very proud. Panda goes to school today, ready to learn, laugh and play, with crayon songs and counting too. So much fun in all we do. They read a tale of stars and skies, then painted suns with smiley eyes. Panda clapped at story's end, learning's better with a friend. Panda goes to school, hooray! He'll be back another day, with joy and kindness as his rule. Panda loves his happy school.